If you're considering UDA Construction Suite for managing your construction projects, there are 12 things you need to know before making your decision. This software is popular in the construction management space, but how does it really stack up against its competitors? Let's dive into it. First, UDA Construction Suite is known for its robust set of tools designed to cover almost every aspect of a construction project. From estimating to project scheduling, it's an all-in-one solution. However, when compared to other software like Buildertrend or Procore, it falls a bit short in certain areas, like real-time collaboration and mobile app experience. So, it's good, but not necessarily the best for teams that require constant communication on the go. Next thing, let's talk about pricing. UDA Construction Suite isn't cheap, and its pricing structure can be confusing. While it offers good value for its features, other software like CoConstruct might provide more flexibility in pricing and offer more scalable options as your business grows. The third thing is its learning curve. While UDA Construction Suite packs a lot of features, it's not the easiest software to get up to speed with. Some competitors, like Buildertrend, have a more intuitive design and user-friendly interface, which can be a big advantage for smaller teams or those new to construction management software. Now, moving to the fourth thing, customer support. UDA offers phone and email support, but when compared to the live chat and 24/7 support options provided by Procore, it can feel a bit lacking. This can be a deal breaker for companies that need immediate assistance. The fifth thing is project scheduling. UDA's scheduling tool is powerful and integrates well with other features. However, it's not as customizable or as flexible as what you'll find in other platforms like Buildertrend or CoConstruct, which offer better options for managing complex schedules. Sixth thing, mobile app performance. UDA Construction Suite does offer a mobile app, but users have complained about it being glitchy and not as responsive as apps from competitors. If your team relies heavily on mobile usage, this might be a limitation. Seventh thing, let's discuss reporting. UDA Construction Suite offers decent reporting options, but when compared to other software like Procore, its reports aren't as detailed or as easy to customize. If your team needs highly specific reports, you might run into some limitations here. The eighth thing to consider is integrations. UDA Construction Suite doesn't have as many integration options as some of the bigger players in the market. Software like Buildertrend and Procore offer seamless integrations with a wide range of third-party applications, which can be a huge plus for companies that rely on other tools for things like accounting or document management. Ninth thing, UDA Construction Suite offers both cloud-based and desktop options. While this is great for those who prefer a desktop version, cloud-based software like Buildertrend or Procore gives you access to real-time data no matter where you are, which is crucial for on-site teams. The 10th thing to note is its customization. UDA Construction Suite offers some customization options, but they're somewhat limited compared to competitors like CoConstruct, which allows for more tailored workflows to suit your specific business needs. 11th thing, user reviews. Generally, UDA Construction Suite gets positive feedback for its functionality and feature set, but some users mention that it can feel outdated compared to more modern solutions. If staying on the cutting edge of tech is important for you, you might find that other software offers more innovative features. Finally, the 12th thing to know is its overall reliability. UDA Construction Suite is considered a solid platform, but it doesn't offer the same level of stability and uptime that larger software solutions like Procore do. If your business can't afford any downtime, this might be something to consider. In conclusion, UDA Construction Suite is a good option for construction management, especially if you're looking for an all-in-one tool with robust features. But if you're looking for something with better mobile performance, customer support, and integrations, we recommend checking out our preferred solution, which you can try for free.